Today I want to teach you how to say your family members in Chinese. The first one, 妈妈妈妈妈妈 Father 爸爸爸爸爸爸 Grandpa. If this man is your mother's father, we say 姥爷姥爷 If this man is your father's father, we say 爷爷爷爷 How to say grandma? If this woman is your father's mother, we say 奶奶奶奶 If this woman is your mother's mother, we say 姥姥姥姥 Brother. If this little boy is older than you, we say 哥哥哥哥 If younger than you, we say 弟弟弟弟 So, how to say sister? If this little girl is younger than you, we say 妹妹妹妹 If older than you, we say 姐姐姐姐 Okay, this is today's lesson. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe my channel, YouTube channel, Learning Everyday Chinese. I'm teacher Sora, and this video I make for my friend. Thank you. Bye.